I didn't know what to do about this girl, but at some point, I didn't think I needed to because she was starting to grow on me. Her attempts to bug me were as routine to me at that point as the wind blowing. Just, hey, it happens. No need questioning it. And this kept on for the entirety of summer school. And then I didn't see her again for the actual school year. Following that same school year, again, I had to be in summer school because I was horrible in school. If you don't remember that I mentioned, I focused more on dating than actual schoolwork. Again, I saw this girl and the whole routine of her bugging me continued, save for one day. I don't know exactly what happened that she did not appear that day, but let me tell you, I looked for her. I genuinely looked for her all over the place. I looked for her during the lunch period. I looked for her in the computer room. For whatever reason, she was not there, and it was kind of lonely. I wanted at that point to be bugged, and I wasn't. Anyway, that day passed. I was feeling glum, and I just had to wait till the next day because what else was there to do? Anyway, the next day, she returned with a vengeance. She poked at me, she made all kinds of weird noises, and even during lunch and what I'm gonna call recess, even though everyone else just called it going outside, she bugged me. At first, when we were outside, she was playing with other people. She was on the swings. And then she saw me, and then here she comes gravitating towards me. Being the kind of person that I am, I thought, ugh, here she comes. Now, again, it's not because I was rude or antisocial, but she was extra. She was at a 10, and I needed her at a 2. In fact, maybe I needed her down to a solid 0. I needed her passive, unless I say something to her because she had so much energy, and it was just overwhelming. In the school year following that summer, I actually got to see her a lot more often. Now, I didn't say this explicitly, but in my mind, I just thought, yay, she's here. Again, because she was a little obnoxious. If I showed any sign of wanting her to be there, she would be there. A lot. Extra and all. I can't remember exactly how we ended up dating, but we ended up dating. I mentioned in another video that I tried to be a gentleman. I tried to be old school. So I went and asked her dad permission to date her, and well, he must have said yes. I don't remember exactly the conversation because it was a while back. Anyway, we started dating, and it was the early part of that I thought maybe we shouldn't give this girl a paintbrush.